Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Minecraft something went wrong in the login process. If the problem precedes check your internet connection. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select apps, on right side select installed apps. In here you just need to search Minecraft launcher. Click on the three dot icon next to it and select advanced options. Scroll down and select the reset option. After getting done, just close tab here and open up File Explorer. Go to this PC, C drive. Just need to scroll down and double click on the users folder. Now you just need to double click on your username folder. If you don't know your username, then select this start icon and here you can able to see your username. After knowing that, double click on it. Now you just need to select the view on the top and select a show and make sure the hidden items is checked. If it is not checked, then you just need to select the check mark like this. And now you can able to see app data folder. Double click on it. Double click on the local folder. Find packages folder. Double click on it. Now find Microsoft Xbox Identity Provider. Microsoft Xbox Identity Provider. Just double click on it. Double click on the AC folder. Double click on the token broker folder. Now you just need to delete every files listed over here guys. Just delete it. After that just close tab here and go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services you just need to find Xbox services. Just double click on it one by one and startup type set this to automatic and select apply and start the service. Do the same thing for other Xbox services. After doing it, just close tab here and restart the PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the Minecraft without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.